Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of my new DJI Osmo Pocket. I got this mainly to film my flight reports and maybe a bit of car videos depending on the situation. But yeah, let's take a look around the box before going into the unboxing. On the front of the box is a picture of the device itself, DJI Osmo Pocket. On the right it just says DJI. On the left, it says www.dji.com. On the back, just some specs, what it is made for, what apps you can get and whatnot. On the top is the barcode, serial number and all that stuff, and nothing on the bottom. So there is a seal right here that we have to cut and we also have to remove the plastic. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. This is probably the first unboxing video that I've done that I just randomly pulled out the plastic instead of taking out nicely. But that should be it. Just put this aside, and opening this up, we have just a piece of foam. Put this aside, but here we have the Osmo Pocket itself. Take it out of the plastic, and it is in a carrying case, so it's not too bad. And there we go, the Osmo Pocket itself. Let's put it let's put this aside, and here we have the warranty guide, quick start guide, disclaimer and safety guidelines. Further inside, nothing else in here. Right in here we should have the charging cable. Yes, we do. There is also a more like a strap, so you can carry the device itself. Here is the this is a lightning connector. I'm not too sure what this is for, but it is a lightning connector. And right in here we have a USB-C connector, and finally the USB to USB-C cable. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new DJI Osmo Pocket. Thanks for watching and goodbye.